With every order at My Metal business card, we send email updates regularly so you can keep track of what's going on at all times, from when your order is placed to when it's delivered to your doorstep. Add us to your contacts list to ensure you don't miss any of our emails. But if you want to check the status of your order at any time, you can do that right on our website. On any page of the website, click My Account on the upper right. If you're not already logged into your account, input your email in the text box and click Continue. We will then email you a PIN code to use for login. Enter the PIN number from your email in the text box and then click Continue to be taken to your account. You will see all of your orders on the My Account page. Each item will have the current status under the name of the product. These are the statuses your order will progress through after you place your order. New, artwork, production, quality assurance, and completed. The current status will say new from the moment you place your order until we begin working on your proof. Our designers will work on a digital proof for your approval and email it over, usually within 24 business hours, Monday to Friday. Once we start working on the digital proof, the current status will change to artwork. The image on the left will change from the product photo to your digital proof after we send it. As you make revisions to your proof, this image will update to reflect the most recent proof that we send you. After you approve the proof for production, the current status will change again from artwork to production. You will now see the estimated ship date in green under the product name as we begin producing your order. Once we finish production, the status will progress to quality assurance, where we review your product to ensure it meets our quality standards. You will still see the estimated ship date during this phase. If you would like to change the shipping method for your order, you can do that right in your account as long as we have not processed your item for shipping. Click on the Details button on the item you would like to adjust the shipping for. You will see your shipping address and shipping method in the first section. Click the Update Method button to change your shipping method. It will open a pop-up with your current shipping address for confirmation. If you need to change the shipping address, you can do that here. Click Next to view the shipping rates for this address. Select the shipping method you would like. Click Next to continue. We will need your billing information to charge for the upgraded shipping. Enter your billing address here. Next, use your desired payment method and click Confirm Purchase to confirm your new shipping method. Finally, when the current status is completed, that means that the item has already shipped out or is ready for pickup at our office. There will be an additional blue button that says Track Package if you selected a shipping option for your order. Clicking the button will open a pop-up that gives you the tracking number and a clickable link, where you can view the status of your package on the shipping services website. You'll also receive an email from us with the tracking information once your order ships out. We want to make sure you are always able to stay up to date with your order, and we hoped this video showed you how to access the tools to do that every step of the way.